Rajesh, thank you so much for joining FF News' coverage of iGCB here at Cybos. How are you doing?
Very well, and it's a pleasure to be here today.
Amazing. Now, could you also tell us your full name, your job role, and your company?
Yeah, my name is Rajesh Saxena, and I look after the retail and central banking business for Intellect Design Arena Limited.
Absolutely amazing. Now, could you tell us what are the key challenges that you've witnessed in consumer banking at Cybos and during your conversation with the bankers here as well?
So let me start by talking about what are the challenges that when we talk to the retail bankers or the CEOs or the CIOs, what are the challenges that they are saying that their customers are looking for? So let me start with customer. So I think when you look at the retail customer, they are looking for 5 key needs right now. The first need is really about having a comprehensive financial canvas which takes care of the stated and unstated need. The customer is also looking for instant and real-time access to finance. The third thing that we are seeing as a trend is customer is also looking for a unified and a digital experience, so that whether the customer would go to a branch or go online, whether web or through mobile, they should have a uniform experience. Customer is also expecting their banks to be part of their embedded finance in their lifestyle journey. And many customers, especially in advanced markets, are looking to be net zero citizens. So ESG is becoming very important to many of our banks customers. So that's what I would say is driving the need for the banks.
Yeah. Amazing. Now, how is iGCB actually helping the bankers with those challenges and those demands?
Yeah. So what iGCB has done is that we have recently launched a cloud-native open finance platform, okay, which covers the entire retail banking spectrum. So it has a couple of very key initiatives in that. The first being that iGCB has the most comprehensive banking suite. So we have all the features relating to, let's say, core banking. We have all the pieces of lending. We have AML. We have credit cards, debit cards. So you get a one-stop shop from iGCB. So that's one. The second piece, which is very important, is the architecture. So this platform that we have done is basically built on an EMAC.ai architecture. EMAC stands for Events-Driven API First Microservices Cloud Headless with AI inbuilt into the user journeys. So that's a second key advantage of our platform. Yeah. The third key advantage is that this platform has the composability. Today what happens is many banks want to launch segment-specific propositions on the fly. Quick market to launch, product launches are very important. So this platform allows the banks to themselves through our composability platform able to launch new products on the fly. So very important. It's also a model where we have pay-as-you-grow flexible financial model, so the banks don't have to make upfront capex investment, and they can scale on demand. ESG, as I said in my first question, is a very important initiative. So this platform allows the banks to take care of the ESG part so that the carbon footprint of the customers can be reduced. So these are some of the key features that this platform that we have recently launched is available for the banks, and it really helps the banks to democratize the financial services.
I think that's absolutely amazing. And knowing that the board members will be able to enter into something that's going to change their bank, but not lock them into a legacy system that in 10 years might have completely changed, is going to win so many customers. Now, speaking of the next 10 years, what is iGCB's roadmap for the future?
Yeah, so we are looking at some of the emerging technologies. So as you know, probably in Cybos, one of the key themes here is generative AI. So till now we've had AI as part of some of our user journeys. Now we are looking at seeing how we can make generative AI as a center plate strategy, right? So generative AI is going to be very important for us. Digitization is a very important piece that we are looking at, especially in terms of digital onboarding, self-onboarding, SME marketplace, and we are also looking at creating country-specific marketplaces so that the banks can leverage the fintechs and partners to really expand their addressable market. So these are some of the initiatives that we are working on.
Incredible, Rajesh. It's been absolutely perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Doug.